What's up, guys? It is March 5th, 2024. Today's gonna be a quick one. I'm recording this before the 3-6 market opened because I got caught up yesterday. But nonetheless, it was a pretty good day. We had a downtrend, gap down with continuation. That's awesome. We've all seen this pattern before. Deep pullback on 7 o'clock, and then that's a news bar and rejected, sold off into the weekly low. The charts look a little confusing, so I'll just go over what levels I'm looking at. So these orange lines are yesterday's high and low, and that faint line is the 50% of yesterday's level. This blue line is a breakout, so I could turn that off if you'd like, but it's just a breakout of yesterday's range. I already had that projected because I'm using fibs. So if we can think about yesterday's range, bulls break out, immediately they make 1R. So they're going to go for 2R of yesterday's range. These purple lines are the weekly levels. So we broke out of yesterday's range and sold off into the weekly level. And then these blue lines are the projected moves if we broke out. If that makes sense. Yeah, it was a little confusing yesterday, but if we dissect the lines, they add a lot of context. We break out yesterday's range. Blue line is 1R. They go for 2R, and they sell from the high of last week, failed breakout yesterday into the low of the range. So it's a range sell. Gap down with continuation. Oh wait, let me get back to the right chart. Excuse me. Yeah. So make this one quick. The market opens in a few minutes. Gap down with continuation. Bars 2 and 3 are a pullback, and bar 4 sells off. This is the low one. And the bears get a very deep pullback at the 1R target, this blue line. And this was also a news bar. However, it becomes a 2-bar rejection with bar 7, and they go for a sell. Bar 8 gets a bar 8. Bar 9 shows follow through for bar 8, and this is a big bar. So I think this would be a good short to go for a few legs lower. And if we count the bars 1, 2, that's 3 legs. And then they get a deep pullback and create a double top bear flag under the EMA. I'm trying my best not to sneeze right now. I have had allergies out the wazoo lately. I don't know what's going on with my allergies. Excuse me. So where are we? Breakdown, follow through, pullback into a deep bear flag double top. They sell off, final flag, and then we go range bound for a couple hours here. The market eventually breaks out and tags last week's low. It would be very hard to make money as a bull unless you wait for support. I think this is a great play here because it's an outside bar support with follow through. It's a bull flag, and it goes for a few legs higher. We are still open. The market opens in 4 minutes. This is the range. The market sold but range bound and then sold off again. We'll go over the leg 1, leg 2 moves. So the first bar, this is a leg 1 move with continuation, and that's met. Look at bar 12, profit taking. Interesting. Then we can do this from bars, top bar 8, bottom bar 10. This is, so this was met, but I would not be happy getting caught in that range, so take it for what you want. It was met here, top of the pullback. You would sit through a consolidation, but it was met. That doesn't even feel right. Hold on. How can this... That's 22 points from the pullback. Yeah, okay, that makes more sense. So what was I doing? Oh, I was looking at the 50% level. My bad. I got confused. Okay, yeah, this is the line. So yeah, if you want to sit through that pullback, it was met, but I think it'd be best to just wait or get short around the EMA. We've been trending away from the EMA for a while. This is a 20 bar. This is a 2HM setup. Talked about on chapter 4. Pullbacks, when the market's been trending away from the EMA for more than 2 hours. We can look for a pullback and trend resumption. Check that chapter out. It's pretty cool stuff. We keep going with the leg 1, leg 2 moves. Since this is a range bound play, we could do breakout instead. See? Bottom to high of the range. 2R was met, or 1R was met, excuse me. Weekly target was hit. It's hard to count legs and trends because it goes on forever. But we can count leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. Market cycle resets, it goes range bound. Spike, channel, range, breakout. Now we're range bound again. Excuse me, I did that so fast. Spike, first pullback initiates the channel phase, right? So this could be the channel, or if you want a trend line break pullback, that's the channel. So now we're in the channel phase and we channel down. We get 3 legs lower, right? 1, 2, and 3. Asymmetrical. The move can be coming to an end. Going range bound now. Sell high. You could buy low, but I think it's better to sell high. Previous bars will influence the next range up to, and then past. The previous bars will influence the next range up to 20 bars. After 20 bars, the market goes more 50-50. And then they have sell off into weekly support. Where are we in the market cycle? We had a trend, so now we could go range bound, we could channel, we bounced off lows. Technically, overall market cycle, we are range bound. So, yeah, it'll be interesting. I apologize, today's a super quick one. I want to kind of be done before the market opens. It's just about 6 minutes. I'll talk a little bit more on it. Look, market is open. Guys, good luck. I hope you guys made some money today. Use your stop loss. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. Today was a downtrend, so sell the pop. Have a good one, guys. Make some money. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.